Have you ever wondered what happens to all the sawdust from woodworking? Well, some of it gets a second chance at life and becomes something you probably use every day: a pencil. This isn't your grandpa's pencil factory. We're talking about a modern, eco-friendly process that's both brilliant and beautiful to watch. It all starts with a mountain of fine, clean sawdust. This isn't just waste, it's the primary raw material. This sawdust is mixed with a special, non-toxic binder and a bit of water. Think of it like making dough, but for pencils. The mixture is churned until it reaches the perfect consistency, ready to be shaped. Next, this sawdust dough is fed into a high-pressure extrusion machine. This is where the magic really begins. The machine forces the material through a die, which is a small opening shaped like a pencil, complete with a hollow channel right down the center for the graphite. It's an incredibly satisfying process, watching a continuous, perfect pencil rod emerge from the machine, millimeter by millimeter. This long rod is then precisely cut into individual pencil lengths. But what's a pencil without its lead? The graphite core, which is actually a mix of graphite and clay, is prepared separately. These thin, strong rods are then inserted into the hollow channels of the sawdust pencil bodies. It's a perfect fit every single time. It's amazing to think that what was once loose dust is now a solid, sturdy casing. After the graphite is in place, the pencils aren't quite ready yet. They go through a drying process to remove any remaining moisture, making them hard and durable. Then, they're sanded assigned to a super smooth finish. You can really see the fine texture of the compressed sawdust at this stage. It has a unique, almost organic look to it. The final steps are all about the finish. Each pencil gets a few coats of colorful, eco-friendly paint. They're then stamped with the brand logo and grade, like HB or 2B. Some get an eraser attached to the end, fitted snugly into a metal ferrule. From a pile of dust to a finished, functional tool, this process shows how a little bit of clever engineering can turn waste into something wonderful. So next time you pick up a pencil, take a closer look. It might not be made from a solid block of wood, but from the recycled remnants of other projects, given a new purpose. It's a small reminder of the power of recycling and sustainable manufacturing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to From Raw to Ready Lab for more amazing industrial processes.